Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore Poppies Lane Kuta Bali during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. If you want to know how look like the condition at the moment in Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2, let's check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today, on 17th of August, Independence Day for Indonesia, I will explore Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2 during the pandemic corona and extended 4 emergency lockdown in Bali. Now we are in Poppies Lane 1. Let's see together how look like the condition at the moment in Poppies Lane 1 without the tourists. You see, right side and left side, all the shop is closed. And left side there's the hotel. Also no people, just very quiet. It's very sad, isn't it? Actually, emergency lockdown finished yesterday on 16th of August, but our government extended until 23 of August. So we hope together after 23 in Bali is really open again for tourism. And this morning was a bit raining, so like the street bit wet. You see right side, there's the hotel, but look like empty. It's very quiet. Right side, left side, just closed, and no people on the street. Usually in this area before the pandemic corona, lots of people walk around, they do some shopping because in this area there is a lot of shop and hotels. And actually, Poppies Lane is very famous street in Bali. You see that? All the shop is closed. It's very sad. So, there is Poppies Lane 1. It's very quiet, isn't it? And now we will continue to the Poppies Lane 2. Actually, even very small street here, there is a lot of people walk around usually before the pandemic corona. Because left side, right side, there is hotel and shopping area. Okay guys, I'm gonna say sorry because this quality of the camera, I just used mobile phone. So the street was not so smooth. I mean like there's a lot of bumpy. So that's why my video is not really stable because I don't use stabilizer on the camera. I'm really sorry about that. You see at the front? There's the hotels. But look quiet, there's no people there. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video because I believe more than million people around the world, they want to know the real condition at the moment in Bali. And as you know, Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2 is very famous gang in Bali, so everyone know about this actually. You see left side? All the shop is closed and no people walk around on the street, just very quiet. So this is the face of Poppies Lane without the tourists. What do you think? It's very quiet, isn't it? My friend told me it's not quiet, but it's like a die. So now we are in Poppies Lane 2. Left side, all the shop is closed. Right side, also the shop closed. It's very sad. Right side, curry restaurant, but closed. Left side, Lotto shop, also closed. And behind the shop, actually there is the hotels. And this area is really famous for the Australian. Before the pandemic corona, there is also Australian stay here. And left side, there is Barong Hotel, also closed. Left side, right side, the shop is closed. So on this video, I make video around 8 minutes without skip because I just want to show you how the real condition at the moment in Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2. So it's pure, the real condition, situation at the moment in Poppies Lane, Kuta Bali. Right side is a big mall we call Beach Walk, so that's why in this area look a bit busier. You see left side, 1, 2 shop open, but then all the closed. It's very sad, isn't it? So let's pray together for heal the world. Because we know all around the world this pandemic is killing, even in Bali. In Bali, I mean, like, the impact of the corona is very big because mostly our people work for the tourism. So that's why Bali get the impact around 90% of economy. You see all the shop is closed. It's very sad. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.